What's up guys, we're back with a nice simple dish again and we've got a chicken Caesar salad sandwich, so let's get straight into it. So we're going to keep this nice and simple. I'm just going to put a drizzle of oil on and some salt and pepper. And we're going to put this in the oven on 180 degrees for around 20-25 minutes, and we'll just check to make sure it's all cooked thoroughly. So now that the chicken's in the oven cooking, let's get on to making the Caesar dressing. So we're going to need some egg yolks, so I'm going to use 3. And this is to make your own mayonnaise, but alternatively you can buy shop bought. It's just nice to make fresh if you can. Just going to wash my hands. So garlic paste, you could use fresh garlic, Dijon mustard, squeeze a lemon, just cut the seeds, you don't want to get the seeds in there. So I've got some anchovies, you can use anchovy paste. Add those in. Just wash my hands again. So now we're going to add in the oil. So what you want to do is add in approximately 250 mils, but we're just going to see the consistency and make sure, we're happy with it. Just keep adding little bits at a time. So as you can see, it's starting to thicken. So just keep adding little bits. You don't want to add too much at once. But there we go, it's starting to thicken up nicely now. It is a little bit of an arm workout, so make sure you're ready. My arm's aching. I think we're about all right for that. Just going to finish off with a bit of black pepper and a bit of salt. So now that the dressing's made, we've washed the lettuce. So what we're going to do is just slice this. And then once this is sliced, we're just going to add this into the dressing and give it a good mix together. Give this a good mix. So usually you could just finish off with the parmesan and some croutons, but we're going to put this on a Caesar sandwich, so we're not going to add the croutons in. Just going to add some parmesan shavings. So now that's done, we're just going to set that aside and go and check on the chicken. I'm just going to slice the chicken up. So now that everything's done, we're just going to assemble the sandwiches. And then we just layer the chicken on. So you don't have to use chicken. If you're a vegetarian, you can change it to halloumi, and then obviously just don't add the anchovies. And then we're finished with this nice crispy toasted lid. So there we have it, a nice chicken Caesar salad sandwich. So let's get this cut open. Nice and crispy.